Hi everyone, it's me, Teacher Alex. So last week we tackled about balance and size. So for today we will continue our lesson, but we will review first of what you've learned last week. So balance is the harmony of design and proportion. We see it in the symmetry of everything around us. Example, the symmetrically balanced patterns in butterflies' wings. And the other one, balance in the petals of the zinnia flower. And when it comes to size, colors can also balance the picture. Picture with a large and small object that are unevenly arranged can be balanced by coloring small object in a darker color. In the pictures do not need to be the same, and they do not need to be symmetrical, which balance depends on the overall composition. Example, the large numbers of small monkeys balance the large elephant, and the different sizes that add interest and can be pleasing to see. So those picture on your screen has a balanced composition. So for today's lesson is about proportion and figure and empty space. Proportion is the relationship between sizes and shape of an object. The proportion in the picture relates to the sizes of the object in the picture, which has suitable relation. Each object has its own proportion. In the picture, proportion of a little boy, proportion of a boy, and proportion of a man. Here we see that while the body of the man is much larger than the boy, their heads are about the same size. The boy's head has the greater proportion than a man's head. Understanding the proportion in the drawing helps you to compose the picture. You can see the proportion of each object and arrange it suitably within the drawing area. Remember, by adding proportion in the right way, you can create harmony and balance in your artwork. Next is figure and empty space. Empty space provides an area of relaxation for the eyes. When you read a book, there is space between letters and between words and sentences. A well-composed picture needs empty space to highlight the subject. It is also important in sculpture. Space can make a sculpture more striking. Empty space can be set freely by the artist to create balance within a piece of visual art. And there are also two types of space. The first one is positive space. Positive space is the object. And the second one is negative space. Negative space is the space around the object. The following pictures show examples of using empty space in the picture. First, the picture is full of figures and there is no empty space. The second picture, the figure in the picture is surrounded by empty space. Third picture shows empty space around the subject. Next, empty space in the center of the picture. And the last one, empty space distributed across the picture. So the question is, what do you think of when you see the picture with no empty space? Reserve your answer for next week. I hope you understand our lesson for today about proportion, figure, and empty space. And please don't forget to answer your worksheets about harmony and balance and symmetry. So that's all for today, class. See you next week.